this video we are trying to review top 6 best digital piano for beginner in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Digital Piano 88 Keys. 88-key digital pianos weighted keys imitate the tactile feel of a traditional piano graded hammer, which is heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, just like an acoustic piano, providing a wonderful performance experience. 3 separate grand feel pedal system enhances, effectively restoring the touch of using the true piano to help you build proper playing technique during practicing, responsiveness and accuracy. Beginner digital piano adopts advanced sampling technology to restore the vibrant tone of acoustic piano. It features 200 rhythms and 80 demo songs for selection, add greater variety and possibilities to the performance of players. It also features 880 tones and 128 note max polyphony, vividly presenting tones of multiple instruments. 88 keys weighted keys digital piano provides powerful functions like dual teaching modes, split mode, memory, recording, chord, etc. It allows separated into 2 same sections in pitch and tone. Dual tone mode for combining 2 voices together, arousing your creative inspiration. There are also 2 headphone jacks that allow a teacher, parent to listen in, an ideal starter instrument for beginners to practice piano at late night without disturbing others. Number 2. Donner DP20. The digital electric piano is constructed by 88 full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response. This 88-key weighted keyboard allows to adjust your desired playing style. The 88-key weighted keyboard loaded with 238 types of tone like ukulele, drum, bass, etc. Vividly presenting voices of different instruments, arousing your keen to learn music. The digital electric piano with 128 note max polyphony, players could distinguish tone clearly in chorus and reverb under various occasions. This digital piano features with a backlit LCD screen for clearly showing chords names and notation and adjusting wanted tones, recording mode MIDI, MP3 player and 225W amplifiers, bringing you richer and better experience of practice and performance. This streamlined 88-key piano is designed for rehearsing, learning and creating, practice or performance. Number 3. Estar Keyboard Piano. EK10S upright electric piano owns the appearance of the classic wooden frame piano, which is beautiful and stylish. The wood grain design makes people feel like they are in a music hall, making the practice more ritual. EK10S digital piano imitates the design and touch of a real piano. And those piano keys are specially designed for beginners to play smoothly with their hand strength only, which allows them have a better playing experience and develop good practice habits when getting started. Estar 61-key piano keyboard uses full-range speakers and a wooden cabinet to make the sound quality more gentle, protecting the ears of beginners. Let them fall in love with listening to music. There are a variety of external jacks behind EK10S keyboard piano, compatible with MP3, USB MIDI, sustain pedal, audio input and output, earphone and microphone. You can connect to the teaching system app on your tablet or mobile phone with USB MIDI, making it easy to learn at home. Number 4. Donner DEP10. The digital electric piano with 88-key weighted keyboard simulates the real touch of playing the piano. Semi-weighted keys provide greater control and maximizes playing comfort. You can play fast riffs anywhere on the keyboard. The 88-key keyboard digital electric piano with 8 professionally crafted voices include acoustic piano, electric grand piano, church organ, etc. Let you enjoy the beauty of various instruments. With 128 polyphony, digital piano can provide super clear rendition, natural feeling of different sounds, perfect for teaching and learning. Metronome with 4 types of det for controlling rhythm, effect control for selecting or adjusting trill effect / suspension / DSP effect, recording mode of a 88-key keyboard digital piano for storing or arranging the music. All are for meeting players' different demands. Number 5. Starfavor 88-key. SP10 digital piano keyboard is a 88 full-sized key, semi-weighted keyboard. The key size is the same as the real piano, it is a great choice for beginners and students to start learning. SP10 electric keyboard 88 keys delivers an ultra-realistic sound and a great playing experience, with 128 rhythms, 8 timbres, 31 demonstration songs, and useful functions like chord, metronome, transpose, effect control, dynamics response, tempo adjustment, record, etc. SP10 electronic keyboard equipped with 2 high-quality loudspeakers which can offer 30W powerful output. They are built 3-dimensional surround sound, so that you can immerse yourself in the music atmosphere. MIDI, microphone, USB, and AUX connections make this a great 88-key digital keyboards that you can edit the music with the music software in any environment. Number 6. Donner DDP100. Donner 88-key fully weighted action digital piano, precisely matching the finger strength changes, restore the true piano's finger strength, more stable and feel better. Test and adjust the details of timbre repeatedly, making the sound more realistic and excellent, help you develop a keen ability to distinguish sound. Input and play MP3, built-in amplifier, support external sound or headphone to meet the needs of different occasions. Streamlined design, wooden cabinet with sliding key cover to protect the key. 128 polyphony, have one pure tone sampled from real acoustic grand pianos. Guarantee the quality of your practice and performance. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.